In this video, we are going to repair our USB drive. First, I will connect the drive with my laptop. I have connected the USB drive to my laptop, but as you can see, it is not showing up here. The USB drive is connected, but if you don't see it in File Explorer. To fix this, the first thing we need to check is Disk Management. To open Disk Management, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the list, select Disk Management. Now here, you can see a list of all the disks connected to the system. Disk 0, 1, 2 are my internal hard drives. Disk 3 is my USB drive, which is 16 GB. So, the USB drive is showing in Disk Management, but still not showing in File Explorer. To fix this issue, we need to assign a drive letter to the USB drive. Right-click on the USB drive that you see in Disk Management. Then, click on the option that says Change Drive Letter and Paths. A new window will open. Click on Add. Now, you have to choose a drive letter from the drop-down. Click OK. Now go back to File Explorer and check again. You will see that the USB drive is now showing, and all the files inside the drive are safe. This method works only when your USB drive appears in Disk Management. If your USB drive does not appear in Disk Management, then it might be a problem with the USB port. Try using a different USB port on your laptop. You can also try using the USB drive on another computer to check if the issue is with the port or the drive. Now let's move on to the second method. This method will remove all errors from your USB drive using Command Prompt. Click on the Windows icon and type CMD. You will see the option for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now you have to type a few commands. First type DiskPart and press Enter. After that, type List Disk and press Enter. You will see a list of all storage devices connected to your system. Disk 0, 1, 2 are my internal hard drives. Disk 3 is my USB drive. You can recognize it by checking the size. Now type the command Select Disk 3 and press Enter. Make sure to choose the correct number for your USB drive. In my case, it is Disk 1. Now the USB drive is selected. Type the command Clean and press Enter. This will erase all files and remove all errors from the USB drive. After this, type the command Create Partition Primary and press Enter. This will create a new partition on your USB drive. Once done, you can close the Command Prompt window. Now go back to File Explorer and refresh the page. Double-click on the USB drive. You will see a message saying the drive needs to be formatted. Click on Format Disk, then click Start. Click OK to confirm. Wait a few seconds. Now the format is complete and the USB drive is ready to use again. This method helps to fix more serious issues by completely resetting the USB drive. Remember, it will delete all files from the drive, so make sure to back up your data if possible before using this method. So these are the two easy methods you can use to repair your USB drive. Thanks for watching the video.